The concept behind this vest is simple but powerful. Instead of relying on passive ventilation, it actively creates a cooling zone across the upper back, spreading an icy circulation sensation throughout the body. Using semiconductor cooling technology, the vest is built to deliver near-instant relief, especially in high heat conditions around 35 degrees Celsius, where the cooling effect becomes most noticeable. Unlike bulky cooling jackets or heavy industrial gear, this vest keeps the format lightweight and wearable, coming in at approximately half of a kilogram. That balance between technology and comfort is what makes it appealing. It is meant to be worn, not endured. The first impression is that this is more than a novelty gadget. The vest arrives as a complete cooling system. The garment itself, the integrated fan and cooling module, power connection accessories, and the instruction manual. Everything is designed around practicality. The removable inner liner is a key highlight right away, because it means the vest can be cleaned and maintained easily. Once the cooling module is detached, the outer garment becomes machine washable, which is essential for outdoor workers or anyone using it daily in sweat-heavy conditions. It feels like a product built for real-world use, not just marketing images. The vest is made from durable polyester fiber materials with a breathable mesh lining that improves heat absorption and comfort. The fabric feels abrasion-resistant enough for industrial or outdoor environments, while still being soft enough for casual daily wear. One of the smartest design choices is the thin cooling body that keeps the vest from feeling bulky or awkward under movement, which is important for people working with tools, carrying equipment, or walking long distances. Storage is another strong point. With 5 large-capacity pockets, the vest offers enough space for power banks, phones, small tools, or personal items, making it functional beyond cooling alone. Setup is refreshingly simple. The vest is powered through a standard USB Type-C connection, meaning you do not need proprietary batteries. Plug in a compatible power bank, place it in one of the large storage pockets, and the cooling system activates quickly. The cooling response is designed to feel immediate. The semiconductor module produces an ice sensation effect that spreads across the back, while the airflow system circulates cool air through the vest structure. The result is not just a breeze, it is a noticeable drop in perceived heat, especially during movement. With a 20,000 milliampere hour power bank, runtime is rated at around 4 hours, which makes it suitable for work shifts, outdoor sessions, or long summer activities without constant recharging.